YouTubers are rich. YouTubers make a lot of money. I want to be a YouTuber so that I can make a lot of money as well. These are some of the statements I've heard regarding being a creator on YouTube. While that may be true in some cases, the unchanged fact remains that for every penny a creator on YouTube makes, there are several factors that affect it. So in today's video, I'm going to break down what those factors are and also share with you how much I made from my most viewed YouTube video of all time. I've been on YouTube consistently since 2019, so this is 4 years on my YouTube journey. And I just had my breakthrough in terms of views exactly 1 year ago as at the time of filming this video. So I'm going to share everything with you. I'm even going to show you my analytics so that there's no juror you can see as I'm talking to you. How much YouTube paid me for a video of over 800,000 views. Also letting you all know how I arrived at that amount. Hey y'all, Chantel here. Thank you so much for joining today. If you like what you see as a newbie, please do also subscribe. Join the Chantel Nation fam. We have a lot of fun here. Give the video a thumbs up as well. Share and leave a comment in the comment section letting me know that you're a newbie so I can welcome you better. Alright, thank you so much. First, a little background of the said video. 9 things that instantly make you look cheap / how to look expensive on a budget in 2023. Published December 9th, 2022. Like I mentioned, exactly 1 year as at the time of filming this video. Short and sweet video at just 9 minutes 8 seconds. The thumbnail tells a story, description box is looking good, SEO is thriving on this video. If you attended my success class, you understand better. And if you want me to do a 2.0 version of the success class, because I've gotten a lot of feedback and they were mostly good feedback, let me know in the comment section as well. I'm not thinking about it, but I mean, it's demand and supply. If you demand it from me, I'm gonna supply it to you, baby. Without wasting your time, let's delve into the analytics of this video, because I know that is what you want to see. Let me get my laptop. Let's go to YouTube, youtube.com, go to my YouTube studio, content, and search that video. Okay, 9 things that instantly make you look cheap. Analytics. Since this video was published, it has gotten a total of 804,243 views, 11.5 million impressions, meaning how many times my thumbnail was showed to viewers on YouTube via registered impressions like YouTube web on the computer, on your TV, the apps on phones, watch later, up next, playlist, etc. 5.6% impressions click-through rate. This means the percentage of people out of the 11.5 million that clicked on the thumbnail after it was shown on their feed. The watch time on the video, meaning the total watch time in hours the video has been seen since it was published, is 37,177.4. Key moment of audience retention was the intro, and then it came down. So 58% of viewers are still watching at around the 0.30 second mark, which is typical. Moving on to the views I got in terms of age and gender. Female 95.5%, obviously, male 4.5%, and in terms of age group, the highest being 25 to 34 years, which is basically the age group that watches my video at 45.2%, next to 27.6% being 18 to 24 years. Third on that list is 35 to 44 years at 18.9%. I'm happy with the fact that I even have male viewers at 4.5%. So they can share my videos to their female friends, family, and what have you. Top geographies, which is one of the features that affected the revenue from this video. Top 5 being Nigeria at 35.6%, Kenya 15.9%, Ghana 9.0%, South Africa 7.5%, and the United States 4.1%. Since the video was published, I have gained 14,925 subscribers. This is why a viral video is the GOAT, like the greatest of all time. You don't even have to stress yourself. Imagine if I was new to YouTube and I put out this video. I have already attained my 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers by 140%. Now moving over to the revenue of this video. Thank you for being patient. I made a total of $1,151.28. This is the total estimated revenue from this video since it was published. It includes all Google sold ads and transactions for the video. Estimated revenue is subject to month-end adjustment and does not include partner sold and partner served advertising or transactions. What that means is that if someone was sponsoring this video, it is exclusive of what I got from AdSense. So let's delve deeper into how I made this money. For this video, I made $1,147.15 from watch paid ads. That is ads that were played in the video. And for my YouTube Premium members, I got $4.13. What you saw was the surface part of what I made. Delving deeper into the total amount this video made since it was published, $2,085.43, which is the CPM of the video. CPM is essentially what advertisers paid for every 1,000 views of their ads on this particular video, which amounted to $2.31, right? So the total amount I got from this video before YouTube took their 45% was $2,085.43. Breaking it down in terms of ad types, skippable video ads was number one with $1,242.85 with 59.6%. Display ads on the screen resulted in $443.28. Bumper ads, $216.80. Non-skippable video ads, $181.79, and unknown sources racked in 71 cents. So if you're a creator and you always put non-skippable ads in your video, please stop that. The way it works in your head is not how it is in reality. The fact that you feel like, oh, it's a short non-skippable ad, you rack in so much more money. That is not the case. So I would advise that you have a mix of skippable and non-skippable. More of skippables than non-skippables so that you can get something back from your video. I think the CPM of this video is quite low, but that is because of factors like my niche, my audience demographics, which I shared with you at first for the content. Remember, Nigeria, Kenya, South Africa, Ghana, and the US in last place. Advertisers tend to pay more in certain locations like the US and the UK. Engagement, which was somewhat low at 2 minutes 46 seconds due to how short the video was. 9 minutes was the total length of this video. And the number of ads I put in the video. I don't like to flood my content with a lot of ads just to make for better viewer experience. I know I like money. Money is very important, but it's not everything in this case. So that's another factor that affected it. If this video was in the finance niche or in the tech niche, it would have definitely racked in way more than this. So with the CPM of $2.64, my take home, aka RPM, was $1.43, which is my 55% of the total earning, and that resulted to the $1,000 something that we just saw. There you have it, guys. I made a total of $1,151 with some cents, tax exclusive. In Naira right now, that is about 1,151,000. Or even more, about 1.2 million thereabout, for a video with over 804,000 views. Do I think that is low? Not necessarily. Due to the factors I shared earlier, like the viewer, locations, the type of ads, the number of ads I put in my video, the length of the video. My niche is lifestyle and it doesn't rack in a lot of CPM, and every other thing I touched on in the course of this video. I don't think it's bad considering that it covered all the expenses incurred, from the cost of production to script writing, directing, equipment that I rented, so to speak, even though they all belong to me, location, everything. If I were to pay for all of these things, I would pay with that money and still have something to take home. I shared this video not to be boastful, but to educate you on how YouTube works, also to let you all know that your perception is not always as it is. Like I mentioned, there are a lot of factors, an array of factors that affect every cent a creator makes on this platform. For instance, I have a finance, in quotes, money related type of video with about 200 and something thousand views, and the amount I racked up on that video is almost the same as this one with over 800,000 views. So there are a lot of factors. There are so many determining factors here when it comes to making money. So to my fellow creators, don't beat yourself up when it comes to your views and you're like, oh, I'm not getting a lot of views. Trust me, those in the finance niche that you see their videos, they are getting maybe 20, 30, 40, 50,000 views. The amount they are making from that video, you don't even want to go there. Okay, at the end of the day, the primary thing remains that you should be consistent, keep putting out content, because you never know the one that will go viral and just make you an overnight sensation, so to speak. So that's it, y'all. That's it. I just had to keep the videos short and straight to the point. If you enjoyed watching, please signify by giving the video a thumbs up. If you were inspired as well, if you got value from it, give the video a thumbs up, share, leave a comment in the comment section. Did you ever say I was going to make more from that video? Let me know as well in the comment section. Subscribe if you are yet to. And until I come your way again, continue to stay amazing. Bye.